Golden milk is a traditional Ayurvedic remedy that has been used for centuries. It is rich in antioxidants and contains no cholesterol. It has been enriched with vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial ingredients. It can help reduce the risk of heart disease and diabetes, while promoting good circulation and overall health. It is made by boiling milk with turmeric and other spices, and is said to have many health benefits. Golden milk is said to be helpful in treating colds and flu, reducing inflammation, and boosting immunity. It is also said to be helpful in digestion and in reducing stress. There are many recipes for golden milk, and it can be made with either cow's milk or plant-based milk. Golden milk can be enjoyed hot or cold, and is often consumed before bedtime. Golden milk has many health benefits, including boosting the immune system, improving skin conditions, and reducing inflammation. Here are some of the most notable benefits of drinking golden milk. Golden milk is a type of milk that has a high content of vitamin D. It has been shown to be beneficial for people in many ways, the most important being its ability to improve bone density and keep bones healthy. Golden milk can also help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, types of cancer, and some types of influenza. Benefits for hair. Golden milk can help to improve the health of your hair in several ways. It is a natural source of nourishment and growth for hair, providing essential vitamins and minerals that can promote healthy scalp health. It has been shown to help reduce frizz and humidity in hair, and it also contains keratinocytes, which are cells that produce new skin, which can improve hair texture and prevent losses. Anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can help to reduce scalp inflammation, which can lead to hair loss. It can help to improve circulation to the scalp, which can promote hair growth. The antioxidants in turmeric can help to protect the hair from damage caused by free radicals. Benefits for skin. Some common skin conditions that can be improved by drinking golden milk are eczema, psoriasis, and acne. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can help to reduce inflammation and redness. It can also help to soothe dry skin and improve hydration. The antioxidants in turmeric can also help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. The benefits for brain health. Golden milk is an ancient drink that has been found to have positive effects on brain health. It is a type of milk that contains nutrients such as magnesium, potassium, and vitamin D. These nutrients are believed to help support healthy nerve cells and improve cognitive function. It is also said to be helpful in improving mental clarity and focus. It has ability to provide essential nutrients that may help support cognitive function and memory. It contains magnesium, which is known to help with neurotransmitter production. Magnesium can help improve balance in the brain and promote a healthy environment for neurons. Golden milk is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids are involved in a variety of important brain functions, including memory, learning, and mood. Golden milk is also a good source of vitamin B6, which is necessary for the production of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that help to transmit signals between nerve cells in the brain. It also contains turmeric, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation has been linked to a variety of neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's disease and depression. Deal with the swellings. Golden milk is often used as a natural remedy for swellings. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric are thought to be beneficial in reducing swelling and pain. It may also help to reduce the size of swellings by promoting the drainage of fluid from the affected area. Improves the bone health. Golden milk is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help improve the bone health. In a study published in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research, researchers found that golden milk increased the density of bones. The study found that drinking turmeric milk improved the strength and density of teeth and gums. It can help to reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition that is characterized by thinning of the bones. It is also a good source of calcium and vitamin D, two nutrients that are essential for bone health. Calcium helps to build and maintain strong bones, while vitamin D helps the body to absorb calcium. Treat with the coughs and colds. It is an effective remedy for treating coughs and colds. The turmeric in the milk helps to break up congestion and mucus, making it easier to expel from the body. It has a warm and savory flavor, and it helps to clear up your nose and throat. It is also good for preventing the spread of disease. Golden milk for fever. Golden milk has long been known for its antiviral properties, and recent research has shown that it can also help to reduce fever. The traditional remedy for fever is to drink a hot infusion of ginger or turmeric mixed with water. Some people find it too strong or spicy, while others find it helpful in dealing with fever. The turmeric in the milk helps to break down fevers by stimulating the body's sweat glands. The milk also helps to cool the body and reduce inflammation. Golden milk can boost the immune system. Golden milk contains high levels of antibodies, which help fight off infections. This can be an extremely helpful attribute if you suffer from a variety of illnesses. For more informative videos, please subscribe to our channel.